A lot of people look at the hedge fund industry now and are sort of shocked by it, by how much wealth is created there and how much talent is going into it. Do you have any worries about that industry and perhaps the financial industry in general, kind of being on a runaway train that's I don't know, helping increase inequality, or how would you champion what's happening?
Well, actually, I think in the last 3 or 4 years, hedge funds have not done especially well. We've done dandy, but the hedge fund industry as a whole has not done so wonderfully. The stock market has been on a roll going up, as everybody knows, and price-earnings ratios have grown. So an awful lot of the wealth that's been created in the last, let's say, 5 or 6 years has not been created by hedge funds. So it's just another, you know, people would ask me, what's a hedge fund? And I say, 1 in 20. I mean, which means now it's 2 in 20. But, you know, it's 2% fixed fee and 20% of profits. Hedge funds are all different kind of creatures.
Rumor has it you charge slightly higher fees than that.
We charge higher fees, yeah. We charge the highest fees in the world at one time. 5 and 44, that's what we charge.
5 and 44.
Yeah, 5% fixed fee,
5% flat, 44% of upside. But you still made your investors spectacular amounts of money.
We made good returns, yes. People got very mad at my investors. How can you charge such high fees? I said, okay, you can withdraw, but no, how can I get more was what the, how can I get more? But at a certain point, as I think I told you, we bought out all the investors because there's a capacity. There's a capacity to the fund.
But should we worry about the hedge fund industry attracting too much of the world's great mathematical and other talent to work on that, as opposed to the many other problems in the world?
It's not just mathematical. We hired astronomers and physicists and things like that. I don't think we should worry about it too much. It's still a pretty small industry, and in fact, bringing in science into the investing world has improved that world. It's reduced volatility. It's increased liquidity. Spreads are narrower because people are trading that kind of stuff. So I'm not too worried about Einstein going off and starting a hedge fund.
Now, you're at a phase in your life now where you're actually investing, though, at the other end of the supply chain, in actually boosting mathematics across America.